Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. Today I want to talk to you about the demo drive. Not so much the actual physical drive, but about your customer's posture during the ride. Always remember that you are a professional salesperson, and being such, we have a tendency to scare our customers. Not intentionally, but just based on who we are, our motives in the sales process, and why we're actually asking them to take a drive. Unfortunately, we have learned that the more we as salespeople talk, the more defensive the customer becomes. Sure, we want to sell all the features and benefits the car has to offer, but not at the expense of making the customer more defensive. The old school approach during the demo drive is to sell all the features the car has to offer, create an ongoing dialogue with the customer, and maybe insert a few trial closes. My tip for you is this: stop talking during the demo drive. Sit there silently and listen and observe. Ironically, the customer will eventually talk. They might talk to the other person who is there with them. They may talk to you, and some may even talk to themselves. If they talk to the person that they're with, many will ask the same questions to them as you would have, such as, how does it drive? Do you like it? Etc. Now these questions are less threatening because of who is asking them. Let them control the conversation, not you controlling them. Let the conversation lead wherever it may. If the customer wants to talk about the car, so be it. If they want to talk about the weather, so be it. Again, let them be in control of this part of the process. Now, I know some of you are saying, I already do this, but do you? Do you actually sit there and wait for conversation? There is an old saying that a child should be seen and not heard. Well, the same goes for the demo drive, that the salesperson should be silent until spoken to. This is the best way for the customer to fall in love with you and the car. Good luck, everyone. Have a great week. And as always, please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.